Okay, we're here at the Scosche booth, and or Scosche exhibit, I should say, and we're taking a look at the new product, the Scosche 24, Rhythm 24. This is kind of an upgrade or a replacement for the Scosche Rhythm Plus, which has been a band that, if you've been following my channel, I've used extensively. So we're taking a look here at the Scosche Rhythm 24, and what can you tell us about this? Some details about what it is, and then some of the upgrades and advantages that this has over the previous generation product.
Hey, great. Some of the upgrades that we have for this year, it's completely waterproof, so you can do any kind of water sports. You can swim, you can kayak, anything that's in water, so completely waterproof and submersible. We've added extra battery life, 24-hour battery life instead of the 6 on the one before. We've also added internal memory, so when you are swimming or doing any kind of activity, you could come back later to your phone and whatever app you're using, sync up at that time.
Now, you did mention that you've gone away from the Velcro straps to something different, and what was your intention behind that?
We went to a clip instead of the Velcro strap, specifically because of the water. So it's going to hold better than water than the Velcro.
Okay, great. Now, the sensor that's developed in here, is this something that you guys have developed? Was this an in-house sensor? Is this the same sensor as the previous generation, an improved sensor? What can you tell us about this heart rate sensor?
It's an improved sensor. We did it at a house, but I don't remember which.
Okay. Was it maybe Valencell?
I think so, yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, so I think Valencell did make your old sensor,
yes.
So that would make sense that they would make this one as well.
Now, this is actually a substantial improvement over the previous gen product. You'll notice that this has several different modes now. You have a heart rate only mode where it's only getting your heart rate. You'll also have a running mode, which will also use a built-in accelerometer to get your cadence and estimate your distance. The same thing is true for cycling. You'll be able to wear this presumably on your leg in order to get cadence. You will be able to wear this swimming now, and this will include the ability to get heart rate variability readings. And this also comes with dualathon and triathlon mode, which incorporates several of those different singular modes kind of back to back and chains them together so that you can track those kinds of duathlon and triathlon events. I was really happy to see that they kept both the ANT Plus and Bluetooth capabilities. That means this will be able to pair with a wide variety of different phones, a wide variety of different apps, a wide variety of different wearables. So it doesn't really matter if you're trying to connect to Bluetooth or ANT Plus. This will connect to all of those different devices, and I really like that broad compatibility that Scosche is offering. So this looks like a fantastic option that Scosche is giving to us here with the Rhythm 24, and I'm really excited to go ahead and try this out with some real-world exercise here as soon as I can. So stay tuned for the full review of that product coming here at a later date. My name's Eric. I'm here at CES 2018. We'll catch you guys next time.